Need a reliable solution for heavy-duty welding? Our 5-ton L-type dual-axis positioner is designed to rotate and position large workpieces with precision and stability. It helps improve welding accessibility, reduce manual handling, and support efficient production. Built for demanding industrial applications, it can be customized to different project requirements. Designed primarily for system integrators, we provide OEM manufacturing solutions for automated welding systems.